As an alternative to net security, what can be used to secure HP Web Jetadmin client/server communication? Option A. Norton Utilities, from Symantec. Option B. HP Systems Insight Manager. Option C. HP Web Jetadmin Safety Pack. Option D. SSL. The correct answer is option D. An administrator needs to make sure that only workstations having particular IP addresses can display information from HP Web Jetadmin. What is best used to enhance security? Option A. Device password. Option B. Device subgroup password. Option C. JetDirect IPsec. Option D. Administrator password. The correct answer is option C. What does a role defined in HP Web Jetadmin do? Option A. Defines a set of permissions for a user. Option B. Assigns printers to a group. Option C. Defines a set of permission for the printer. Option D. Creates threshold values for a supplies alert. The correct answer is option A. What is a hidden print cost? Option A. Print cartridges. Option B. Paper usage. Option C. Print quality. Option D. Additional output devices. The correct answer is option A.